Jaren Abdese. Can I know your name? Letter L. You must be Lorraine. Lorna. Leah. Let me guess.
Laura. I'm Laura Angeles.
Pleased to meet you, Miss Laura Angeles. Is there anything I can do to help you?
Itong model na to, is this automatic?
Yes, it's automatic. You know what? Can you excuse me for a while? Kukunin ko lang yung pinaka-manual nitong kotse para malaman ko mismo yung bawat detalye so I can attend to your request personally.
Okay.
Excuse me, ah.